Temperature control. If there is a time thermostat in the network that has been identified with the DFCT or the DF8 RITS device, the corresponding module will be indicated in the modules list with the description Climate Zone. By choosing this module, it is possible to give a name to the zone. To see the parameters of the climate zone, go back to the main page by clicking on Home and then click on the temperature icon. In the upper part of the temperature screen, select a specific climate zone in order to see the screen where it is possible to set the working parameters like set points, automatic manual, and the weekly schedule. To change the values of a certain set point, click on the temperature next to it and choose a temperature by moving the thermostat. To set the temperature for the day, click on the icon with the weekly schedule. By moving your finger on the touchpad area, the graphic for the selected day will be created. The possibilities are 0, T1, T2, T3. Eventually, save your program by clicking on the Save icon. This operation has to be repeated for every day if the daily schedules are different. If the schedules are the same for every day, click on Copy. The schedule will be automatically copied and saved. The system runs 2 independent schedules for summer and winter. Once you have finished, go back to the modules list to set the working. The relay that allows the system to start has to be enabled from the selected input, for example, heating from the time thermostat of a specific area, if you want to turn a heating or cooling system on. In this case, the contact will be closed until the heat is requested, so there will be an output equal input type of connection. To set this kind of connection, check the direct function part.